Once your AI assistant has been connected to your Zoho CRM, you can now implement a Zoho automation that automatically triggers outbound calls whenever a new lead is created in your CRM. These leads can come from Facebook ads, Google ads, landing pages, or any other marketing platforms integrated with Zoho CRM. To set this up, go to Zoho CRM's automation section and create a new workflow rule. Select the Leads module and choose the trigger event for when a new lead is created. Next, add a webhook action and paste the call agent AI webhook URL from your integration settings. This allows Zoho CRM to instantly send the lead information to your AI assistant the moment a lead comes in. You can then configure when the outbound call should happen, immediately after a few minutes or during specific business hours based on your workflow preferences. Once activated, your AI assistant will automatically call the lead, qualify them through a natural conversation, answer common questions, book appointments, and log all call notes directly into Zoho CRM.